When tracking upcoming consumer technology, leaks occasionally paint a picture that defies simple logic. The rumors surrounding the anticipated DJI Air 4 are a prime example. On one hand, a physical, crashed prototype surfaced displaying heavy-duty dual-lens camera architecture and top-mounted safety sensors. On the other hand, compliance database filings pointed toward a featherweight tier under 250 grams. Because an individual aircraft cannot physically occupy both design extremes, tech analysts are left questioning how DJI intends to structure its next mid-tier prosumer release. Is this a sign of internal confusion, or is DJI planning a strategic division of its most popular mid-range drone family? Let's break down the verified facts, the wild contradictions, and what they mean for creators in 2026. As of late 2026, DJI has maintained official silence regarding the Air 4. There are no press releases, no official product listings, and critically, a complete absence of early Federal Communications Commission, FCC, filings in the United States, which typically serve as the final clear signal that a commercial launch is imminent. The summer window closed. Early expectations of a mid-2026 release have passed. Industry trackers and regulatory app sightings point instead toward a late Q4 2026 window, targeting September through November. The evidence base, despite the lack of an official statement, the trail of evidence is surprisingly robust. It consists of a leaked prototype that physically crashed and was photographed online, software registry sightings in Chinese drone compliance applications, and leaked developer documentation circulating through trusted industry insiders like Igor Bogdanov. Layering these clues on top of the established baseline of the DJI Air 3S gives us enough context to build a coherent picture, contradictions in all. The physical evidence from the cracked prototype offers a clear look at where DJI's engineering priorities are heading for its upper-tier consumer lineup. Design DNA borrowed from flagships. The chassis features structural design language heavily inspired by higher-end Mavic series models. Most notably, it incorporates top-mounted sensor arrays, a feature historically absent on mid-tier drones, designed to eliminate traditional upper blind spots during complex tracking maneuvers. Upgraded optical systems. Speculation points to enhanced low-light processing and a refined multi-lens layout. While previous iterations balanced mixed sensor dimensions, insider reports suggest DJI might equip the Air 4 with dual 1-inch CMOS sensors, drastically closing the gap between mid-tier portable drones and professional cinema gear. Advanced flight safety, improved upward, forward, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing aim to make automated tracking and tight space, indoor or forest navigation significantly safer. Contradicting the heavyweight prototype, regulatory app sightings, and early documentation suggest a radically lighter build. While historical entries for models like the DJI Air 3 weighed roughly 724 grams, shrinking an Air-class platform down to under 250 grams would represent nearly a threefold weight reduction. Why weight matters? Weight is not just a spec sheet metric. It dictates legal reality. Operating an aircraft under 250 grams exempts users from strict local registration paperwork and remote ID hurdles in many global jurisdictions. Reconciling the leaks. To explain how a heavy-duty dual 1-inch sensor drone with robust cooling and a lightweight sub 250G filing can share the exact same product name, industry insiders have proposed a split lineup theory. Much like DJI's mini lineup, the company may release a standard lightweight variant alongside a heavier, more feature-rich Pro variant. Until official specs drop, however, this remains an educated guess. With official announcements and mass production certification still unfolding across international registries, prospective buyers face a common dilemma. Should you wait or buy right now? The case for waiting. If cutting-edge obstacle sensing, potential dual 1-inch optics, and the possibility of a game-changing weight class split excite you, holding out through late 2026 is a logical play. Would you prefer a sub-250G Air-class drone tailored for effortless international travel compliance, Or do you prioritize heavy-duty dual 1-inch sensors regardless of the weight class? The case for buying now. If you need AR, Eliable aerial platform immediately. Proven hardware like the DJI Air 3S remains an exceptionally capable choice. Featuring a powerful 1-inch main sensor paired with a dedicated telephoto lens, it punches well above its price class without the uncertainty of unverified rumors. There is no structural downside to buying a proven, reliable tool while the market sorts out its next generation.